Okay, so in there, so what did you understand by this video? Can you explain in brief about this
Yeah,
blue ocean strategy?
yeah. Vivek Bindra explained that in business, it's very important to create an entry barrier. So,
Can you
like
speak
your
a bit louder?
yeah, Vivek Bindra explained that you have to kill your competition. This is the only way. Otherwise, you have to give discount to survive. So just create a entry barrier. Yeah.
So are there any other option to create entry barriers apart from what Vivek Binder said? According to your experience,
Okay. Yeah, it can be an innovation.
innovation. Can you explain a little bit?
Yeah, actually Geo did innovation in a like same technology. You can create a something new that's even like they modify the 4G to like 3G to 4G, right? It's even not like 4G, it's 3.5G. It's even not proper 4G. Geo 4G is not proper 4G, but yeah, it's much better than others. So like it's a like complete product, like when mobile invented. So that was the like Microsoft came. It's a complete kind of you can innovate your own product. That can be a one thing. Yeah. And for competition, you have to do the innovation.
So what are some ways
Yeah.
that you can do innovation?
Uh, can you repeat?
Yeah, my question was, what are some ways? Can you give some suggestion about how can a company do innovation to create entry barriers?
Okay. Like as one I told you, we can do innovation. Second, like we can reduce our cost. It's depend like to change. We have to change our manufacturing process, kind of that. And like we can use some technological machinery. We can use advanced equipments. These are the options. Like we have to give better service and we have to reduce the like price. These are the main thing. For this, if the same product, we have to focus on this thing, and if the product we are going with another product, so we have to bring one new product. Yeah.
So uh, why do you think that most people start their business by copying another startup?
Okay, because they see their profit. Okay, if this is Momo man, so he earning so much. He have lots of customers. So if I open, so we will get 50-50 customers. Maybe this can be the reason, kind of like I can earn.
For profit only,
Yeah, definitely.
but that would create competition. Nah, that in that case, that is the reason people have to provide discount, because if the market is saturated, then you have to give discount to your customer.
Actually, this not happen all time. For example, if like there is a Momo man and you also like like you also became a, for example, like you can say I became a Momo man also. So now my quality is also good, his quality is also good. Okay, so more people will attract. In that place, the Momo is very good. So like one more person just seen us. Okay, one more person open new Momo shop. Like 4, 5, 10% open Momo shop. So this area will become like famous for Momo. Like so, like all from other states, people will come that yeah, that area is famous for Momo. So that can also happen, but we have to like the quality should be same. Our quality should be good. If the quality is not good, then like some person have to give discount and then it will not run. Did you get my point?
Yeah.
Suppose there is a cloth shop, okay. So when another person see that oh he's getting good sale, I will open a cloth shop. So like this, that become a market. Like Bada Bazaar became a market. So how market became? These are the options. Like every person selling the thing at like good price. These are the things. Yeah.
So, have you read the book, The Blue Ocean Strategy?
No, I haven't read.
Actually, there is a book, Blue Ocean Strategy, that is, let's see, written by Rennie Mauborgen and W. Chan Kim. This is a very famous book, actually. This book teaches
Okay.
about how to create entry barriers. And what Vivek Binder did was he just, whatever he said was from the book only, that book only.
What he said?
Blue Ocean Strategy, the name of
Hello.
the book.
One better thing. That is the like entry barrier. That's it.
Can you
Hello.
repeat again?
I'm saying for entry barrier, you just need to one better thing than your other customers, like for your other competitors. That can be anything. That can be price, that can be quality, that can be time, that can be like uh, behavior, whatever that can be. That can be something compliment. You have to just give one better thing. That's enough to kill your competition, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so one more thing I want to ask is that do you think that reputation of a company matters in marketplace?
Can you repeat your
Yeah,
question?
my question was that do you think reputation of a company
Reputation.
matters in the
Okay.
marketplace?
In the marketplace, definitely, man. Branding. You're talking about
Yeah.
brand name. It's definitely matter.
So can you give some
Even
suggestion
people
to create
when
reputation in the marketplace?
actually it's we need to like create reputation. We have to deliver loyalty, punctuality, and the quality. Then we can like make it brand. When people move from home, they think that I will buy this of this brand. I already thought about this. Like whenever you there is a two options. One that you will thought I have to buy the within budget, and second you will thought that I have to buy this brand, and third maybe this stylish. These are the parameters. So brand is the one of most important thing, and for that we need to punctuality, loyalty, quality, pricing. These things are matter. If we delivering something better than others, so definitely you are the brand. Yeah.
Okay, so since nobody is here, let's end the meeting today. We can join again on Monday.
Yeah, Ritra, sure. Are you coming tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah, I may come. Tomorrow is startup night out, actually.
Yeah,
Tomorrow is
so
not
you
my,
are not there. So you
yeah,
are not there.
I am not where.
You in a startup night out.
No, not always. I don't always join. Sometime I join. Not always.
Oh, okay, 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 Ritro.
Hmm.
Good night.
Good night.